In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Uber driver account in Canada. Whether you're seeking a flexible side gig or a primary source of income, driving with Uber could be a great opportunity to consider. But before you get started, you'll need to create your Uber driver account, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. First, let's talk about the equipment and documents you'll need. To begin, make sure you have a smartphone, as the Uber Driver app is essential for managing rides and earnings. Additionally, you'll need a valid Canadian driver's license. If you don't hold a Canadian license, you'll need to convert yours before proceeding. Next, you'll require proof of residency. This could be a recent utility bill or any official document that clearly displays your address. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, the first thing you want to do is open your internet browser and navigate to the official Uber website. Make sure you select the correct region, which in this case is Canada. Look for the option specifically meant for drivers and click on it. This will bring you to a new page where you will find an option to start the application process. Clicking here will redirect you to a form where you're required to fill in some basic personal details. This includes your full name, a working email address, and a secure, memorable password to keep your account protected. After filling in this information, you'll also be asked to input your mobile number. It's crucial that you enter this correctly, as you'll receive important notifications from Uber through this number. After your basic information is submitted, you'll be prompted to upload your supporting documents. Don't rush this part. Ensure that all the documents are clear and legible before uploading. Now, Uber will conduct a background check to review your driving history. Keep in mind that the timeline for this can vary. There could also be some additional location-specific checks required depending on your area, so be prepared to follow any extra steps. Once Uber has reviewed and approved your application and documents, you will receive an email confirmation. This email will include details on the next steps and may even contain links to essential training videos or other resources. It's a good idea to go through these resources, as they will help familiarize you with the kind of experiences you can expect as an Uber driver. Finally, download the Uber Driver app and sign in using the credentials you just created. This is where you'll receive ride notifications, track your earnings, and manage your ride schedule. Spend some time exploring the app so that you're comfortable with its functionalities before hitting the road. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Uber Driver account in Canada. Once everything is in place, you'll be ready to start driving, offering rides, and earning on your own schedule. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey as an Uber driver.